Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be propagating my string of hearts, variegated string of hearts. It's been growing really well. I really like the way this piece here, let's see if I can get it. This piece here has grown way better. Hold on. I can focus it on that. See, it's there's no gaps between the leaves. It's a really nice cluster. I really like that. And obviously this one has bigger leaves down here, but there is more gaps. I don't know if that's new growth, what I just showed you earlier where the clusters are. So I don't know if this during that time when the plant was growing is much happier. So I think that that's one of the reasons it's grown like that. I did give it one of those, you know, those plant food sticks that they sell. I think it's in the greenhouse, but nevertheless, I will post a picture of it here so that you can see it, what it looks like. But anyways, last time I propagated a plant was, well, when I was moving one of the donkey tail plants. Remember when I did that outside? One of the pieces broke off. I tried something new, and in my opinion, I think that that's what made it grow so quickly. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that again. So I'm just gonna go ahead, it's a pretty long piece. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this here. I always like to cut. It's the reason I had you guys in the tripod so I could have both of my hands. I always like to cut near the leaf right here so that you can't tell that I cut it. And then I believe that the roots come out of where the leaf is. So I'm gonna have to trim all this off and the leaf. So pretty much I cut that piece and that's what it's gonna look like. What I had done with the donkey tail plant, because I was afraid that it wouldn't, root. What I did is I took this root hormone, and I put it in the water. Instead of just putting it in soil, I put it in the water, and it's just a little bit. That's all I did. See if I can mix that in there. And I am thinking that that's what made it root so quickly, because in the past, sorry guys, in the past when I've tried to root the donkey tail, it took forever. So I am thinking that this made a difference, and it's a lot of water. So I don't know if root hormone. So I've heard. Okay, so I've heard of like when you have too much fertilizer, it can burn your plants. So I don't know if root hormone is the same. So that's why, I choose only a little bit of it and put it in here just in case. And I feel like that's what worked. So yeah, so that's what I did. And now I'm gonna wait. I won't be placing that right now. I was just showing you how I did it with the water. And then tomorrow I will place the cuttings in there, and today's October 1st, and we'll see how soon we have roots, and I will update you guys together. Hey guys, so today's October 14, but yesterday I took a look at this, but I didn't get a chance to make a video, and it already had roots. So I can say that the roots are pretty long. Well, on some, let me see. Here's this one. Let's see if you can see the roots. Focus for me. Focus. Right there. You see that? Right there. That one, and then this one. I would say that this part already had roots before the 15. Look at the roots on this one. So yeah. Less than 15 days, I would say, it took to root. I believe I did this on October. I just threw that one in there. It already had some roots. It just needed rehydration. Hey, look at this one. Wow, look at how long the roots are on this one. So I would say that it took less than 15 days to root in the water, the hormone water. So yeah, I'm really happy with it. Now I'm just gonna plant these up and let them grow. This one was outside. I'm gonna bring it inside because I want to change the pot, put it in a bigger pot, and I want it to grow bigger because the pot's really small, so the leaves are gonna grow probably small. Here is my original plant. The ones, oh, so here it's the new growth already. Look at all the new growth from when I cut it. See? Look at that. They each have leaves already where this one hasn't opened all the way. Let's see if I get right there. Unless, yeah, hold on. Yes, this whole piece here, this whole piece is from when I cut. Look, my cut's up here. This whole piece is where it grew. So yeah, wow, that was pretty good. I don't think I cut this one. I can't remember. Here you can see where my cut is right here. And then you see the new growth right there. But I'm really impressed with the other one. It's really long. Where is it? It's an entanglement. Here it is. Look at how long that, and it's already growing more new leaves there. But you see how big these leaves are compared to my other one that's growing? Yep. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. You guys have a blessed day.